Theorem of Pythagoras. Pythagoras properties. Introduction of right angle triangle, Pythagoras property and its examples. Theorem of Pythagoras. My dear students, in our previous class, we have learned types of angles: acute angle, obtuse angle, and an angle of 90 degrees is right angle. We all know that the triangle which has one of its angles 90 degrees is called right angle triangle. Right angle is shown by this sign. This is a right angle triangle, XYZ. This is right angle triangle, LMN. And this is a right angle triangle, PQR. The vertex having right angle is always mentioned in the middle of remaining two vertices. Pythagoras theorem is related to this right angle triangle. From the theorem, we can find the sides of the right angle triangle. How? Let us learn. Pythagoras properties. Anita, a very bright student in her class, one day was arranging some square shapes. Farida asked her, "What are you doing, Anita?" "I found something interesting," Anita said. "What?" "I have drawn a right angle triangle. The lengths of the base side and length side were 6 centimeters and 8 centimeters. Then I thought to draw squares using the length side and base side of the triangle. Then I drew a square using the hypotenuse length. I found that sum of the areas of these two squares is equal to the area of the square which is along with the hypotenuse. Pythagoras property is very useful tool in mathematics. It is formally proved as a theorem in later classes. You should be clear about its meaning. It says that for any right angle triangle, the area of the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the areas of the square of the length and base. As we know, area of a square is square of its sides. It means if A square is area of a square, A must be length of its side. Respectively, B and C will be the side of these respective squares. In this way, from Pythagoras theorem, we can get the sides of right angle triangle. Let us see an example based on Pythagoras theorem. Find the hypotenuse. PQR is a triangle right angled at P. If PQ is equal to 10 centimeters, PR is equal to 24 centimeters, find QR. With the help of given information, we have drawn a right angled triangle PQR. Now, QR is the hypotenuse. Therefore, QR square is equal to PQ square plus PR square. Put the values of PQ and PR, we get QR square is equal to 100 plus 576. The sum is 676. 676 is a square of 26. Therefore, QR is equal to 26. In this way, we found the length of the hypotenuse QR. Find a side of a triangle if its hypotenuse and other side is given. In right angle triangle ABC, AC is 15 centimeters, BC is 9 centimeters. Find AB. Now, in this example, AC is the hypotenuse. Therefore, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Put the values of AC and BC. We get 15 square is equal to AB square plus 9 square. Now, square of 15 is 225 and square of 9 is 81. We have to find out AB. Therefore, to cancel 81 in the right side, subtract 81 from both the sides. Therefore, 81 cancels 81. AB square is equal to 144. 144 is a square of 12. Therefore, AB is equal to 12. In this way, we found the length of AB is equal to 12 centimeters. Summary. The triangle which has one of its angles 90 degrees is called right angle triangle. right angle is shown by this sign. Pythagoras' theorem states that in right-angled triangle, square of the hypotenuse is the sum of the square of its lengths. That is all in this chapter, students. Math is fun indeed. Enjoy mathematics and keep learning.